And nafaqa. So what is nafaqa? What is expenses? What is the required expenses for the Hajj to become wajib upon me? وَيُعَبَّرْ عَنْهَا بِالزَّادِ وَالرَّاحِلَةِ. It is expressed by these two things. Zad, that means your sustenance, your things which you will need in your travel. And rahila is your traveling means of traveling. Nowadays, it's not a camel or horse, it is a plane or a train or a car or a bus or a ship. He says, وَيُقْصَدُ بِالزَّادِ كل ما يحتاج إليه في سفره من المأكول والمشروب وغيرهما. Food, drink, and whatever besides food and drink, what he needs in his travel. So that means soap, shampoo, hygiene issues, cleaning issues, clothing. So there's so many things you might need. It depends on you. People, they have different needs in travel. Your needs might be a little bit lesser than somebody else's need. Your needs are available, then it is wajib upon you to go for Hajj. But if your needs were more than the average, okay, then you will need that in order for Hajj to become wajib upon you. من ضروريات ذلك السفر. Okay, the provision is whatever provision, whatever necessities you need in your journey, you need to make sure that you have that. If you don't have that, Hajj will not become wajib upon you. So this is the provision. الزاد والراحلة الوسيلة النقلية, the means of transportation التي يستعان بها في قطع المسافة, which is used to cut the distances. ويعتبر فيهما أن يكون مما يليق بالحال. It should be in a way that it is suitable for your status. For example, for me, I can travel on any economical class, any cheap budgeted airline. So if that is suitable for me. So if I get a cheap budgeted and I have not performed for Hajj, for example, the obligatory, and if I get a cheap budgeted airline, which is suitable for me, then it becomes obligatory on me. But let's say one of my beloved friends, he cannot travel on cheap budget airline for long distances. Let's say you're coming from United States or you're coming from long distance flight, 7 hours, 10 hours, 11. Maybe for that person, cheap budget airline is not suitable. I mean, he might have spinal problems, back problems, this problems, that problems. He need to travel on a proper airline. Or no, his situation could be worse. He need to travel in a first class or business class or something like that. It depends because he cannot travel. It's not suitable for his status. Status doesn't mean that he's rich. No, status means that he has problems. And also, richness is also one of the things. But we talk some practical things that bimma yaliqu bihal al-mukallaf. Even the food, maybe for you, hummus and bread might be sufficient. Maybe somebody no, if he does not eat like a proper meal. I know that when I travel, there are two types of people. One who can survive with chips every time he gets chips and juice, and this is he survives. But there are people they tell me, Sheikh, if we don't get proper meal, we will die. So we have to find for them proper meal. Like so, when Sayyidi Sistani says, "Mimma yaliqu bihalil mukallaf," that means suitable for the responsible person. وَلَا يُشْتَرَطُ وُجُودُ أَعْيَانِهِمَا. Is it necessary that I have the food itself, I have the medicine itself, I have the provision itself, or no, I have the money in order to use it to buy those things? He said, no, you don't have to carry your food all the way to Makkah and Medina. No, if they sell food there, if they provide food there, make sure that you have the money. This is all those days when people were traveling individual. Nowadays, you get these packages, and these packages, you have everything there. 3 meals are there. If you don't want 3 meal, 1 meal at least is there, bed and breakfast meal. Yes, medicines, perhaps you have specific medicines, you might not find it. But as long as you have money and you know that you will be able to get halal food and those kind of things, you don't have to get carry food with you.